Hello everyone, welcome back. It's definitely holiday season and I'm going to show you what I did for Thanksgiving for my dining room. Hey friends, welcome back. I am Christina and today we're styling a simple, cozy Thanksgiving tablescape. If you are new here, I'm so glad you joined us, and if you're returning, thank you for being here again. This year, I am keeping things neutral with one pop of color right down the center with some orange and some browns and some neutral and some greenery. So it ties with the rest of my dining room without a full makeover. Think softer tones, easy textures, and a colorful focus point that will feel festive without the fuss. A little budget tip, check Michael's for stems are often 70 to 90% off right now. I grabbed a few on sale and I am always reusing last year florals. So shop at home first and then go out and see what the deals are out there. Everything for this look is super simple, like 5 minutes simple. If you're arranging flowers a certain way, it might take a little longer, but the vibe is still calm, neutral, and cozy with that little color moment. If you're creating with me, let's jump into it. If you're just watching, hang out and enjoy, and drop any questions or ideas in the comments. And don't forget to share with a friend who's hosting. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this short video just to display how I'm laying out my table for Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you love your table as well. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.